Good evening, YouTube. It's your vampire again. I thought should make a little video about latches for your doors and stuff, because I did this on the Impala. Got a front latch. Come on, open up, damn it. Now see, now that I want to do it, it doesn't work. But anyway, there it is. Plus a little to keep up the hood on that side. Yeah, that, and then at the back as well. Clips up open, and now that doesn't want to work. But anyway, yeah, latches. Thought I was gonna make a short one because I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about making your own latches, but nobody going really in depth about it and showing you properly how to do it or what to do it. By the way, this is my 65 Impala that I've been busy building for a build-off challenge in October so far. I'm gonna call this the Vampire Impala so far. Yeah. But anyway, the latches. The latches are pretty easy to do though. Let me get the knife. Yeah. The latches, that's pretty simple to do. I assume most people know how to cut out with your X-Acto knife blade the pieces that you want to cut out stuff, because I cut those out 2 nights ago and then did the latches. But anyway, put the latch down here to open it but sideways, and another latch there for the hood holder to keep it open. So let's get to it then. Yeah, first off, what you will need is of course your a 2mm pipe tube, aluminium or aluminum, and a brass rod, 1mm or an 1/8 or something, couple blah blah blah, or what I used was 0.8mm solder wire. Yeah, but anyway, what you do is in your body that you want to cut open, you take your measurements, right? Put it up there, see how long you want it. So for instance, like 1 inch to 2 inches, and you just roll it, cut it, roll it, you just roll that and it will cut through it eventually. And then I'm just going to use a solder wire for this. Take a nice long piece of your solder wire or your copper wire or whatever you're going to be using, roll it out and straighten it out. Let me do this, let me cut this, do this properly. There. Okay, let's clean that up. Okay, and then if you are using solder wire, measure it like this. It's like 1, 2, 3 times the length of what your piece of tubing is that you're going to use. That's just what I did. So what I did, so just pushed it through, and then you're going to bend both sides straight up like this. Now it doesn't really matter if it's the same length or not, because it's still going to move up and down, whatever. You can just cut that off the bits and pieces if you wanted equal lengths, and then you're just gonna put it where you want to latch it. Say for instance, if I'm gonna cut out the doors over here right now, I'm gonna check it over there. You're gonna see it's over there, sort of like right about thereabouts. And then I'm gonna proceed to cut out the door from the side with the back of the X-Acto knife blade all around there. Just drag it, don't push too hard, because you will, and I promise you, you will slide and you will cut into the body, and it's going to take you a long time to have to fix that up with putty or primer or whatever you're going to be using to do that. But just do it very slowly. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, and then if your door is cut out, you use your tape to stick your door back on the outside, and then you can use your door stick to measure that. And then what I do is I just use the same pipe that you cut the first piece of for the latch. This is why I used solder wire. Push it up against, you just bend it over like so and so, and then there you have your latch that you are going to be using. And that little notch there is for the opening, like over there and there, to do that. So yeah, simple and easy. Door latches, hood latches, door latches, latches for everything that you want. DIY, pretty easy. Yeah, hope you guys liked this video. Like and subscribe if you did. And this is your vamp out. I will check you guys again later. Have fun making your own latches.